You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, a name of Arabic origin meaning growth or increasing. If you want to learn more Arabic names pronunciations that can be a bit confusing, stay tuned, we've got many more. Zayden is generally the most common pronunciation in English. Zayden. Some may pronounce it as Zayden. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments, let everybody know. But the most common pronunciation is as Zayden in English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.